YouTube, what's going on? Whew. Well, it's been a long week, boy, I tell you, man. But look at that there, boy. Just getting out of work on a Good Friday. Look at what I see right there. Look at that black thing right there. Jit posted. Jit cool.
When I'm on the block, see different hoes, switch different hoes when I'm Puerto Rocks. I play the motherfucking clock. We ain't swiping my phone is pawn. I drop the top when I'm on the block. See different hoes.
How's everybody doing? Hope you guys having a great day. It's your boy Eric here with TXI Garage. And yeah, I'm just basically fresh out of work on a Good Friday. Today, basically, I'm gonna go stop by the AutoZone to pick up a few things. Of course, for the Mustang, you know, you gotta do your car maintenance. You know, gotta check everything, make sure everything good to go. So yeah, that's all I'm about to do today. Stop by the local parts store, get what I need to get, and head to the house because it looks like it's about to rain out there. It's Florida. It's always raining out here, so just trying to knock this stuff out, get my butt home because I done had me a long day. About to go check that out right now. He's a fucking beast, boy. I think this might be the owner right here. This thing is clean. She's a beast, boy. Oh my God. What is it?
No, that's a Grand Sport 2011.
2011 Grand Sport. Oh my gosh. This thing is a freaking beast. Look at these lights. Headlights. I'm just doing a quick video for YouTube, man. Yeah, man. Damn. And it's authentic, y'all boys.
She's dirty, but
she's still clean, boy. Look at these brake pads. Thing's huge. Damn, boy. You said it's 2011 too?
Yeah.
Any modifications done to it?
Air intake and
damn. Boy. That thing is nice, man. Oh my God. How long you've had it for?
About a year.
A year? Damn. That thing is super duper. Did you add the chin spoiler to it?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
She got.
That thing is clean. What about like going over like speed bumps and stuff? Have any trouble with it?
You know, sometimes.
Sometimes? Okay. Cause I actually I put some 1.5s in the back. I loaded 1.5. About putting them in.
Every time I go over a speed bump, it's hit or miss, you know.
Bro, I feel the same way. So I actually been rocking them for maybe like 3 weeks now. And bro, speed bumps are just like, and I'm like, damn, I'm about to do the front. Oh my gosh. Like, and I just got that new bumper as well, so I'm like,
It's the price of having a lower car.
Yeah, bro, that thing is crazy, but this thing is freaking low and it just looks amazing, bro.
That's stock height too. That's,
Stock height?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you added springs to it.
No, that's stock.
Damn, bro. Oh my goodness. This thing is sitting low like. Gosh, that's like an inch or an inch off the ground. Oh my god, this thing is a beast. You mind like giving us a nice startup? Sure. Alright, bro. We about to get us a nice little startup on this Grand Sport, y'all boys. Damn. We go around the back. Check that out. Woo. Y'all know what we waiting on, man. We waiting on, man. You know what we want? Hold on now. Woo. Looking good, bro. Oh my God. I don't think I ever did an oil change video on the Mustang. I did change the oil the first time, and that was probably like maybe 4 months ago. Damn. And no, I didn't record that. So definitely gonna do a video for the oil change for you guys, so you can see how to change your oil on your S197. All right, so let me go ahead and get my oil. Check you guys later.
When I'm on the block, see different hoes, switch different hoes when I'm Puerto Rocks. I played the motherfucking club. We ain't